Hi everybody. This is just a quick how-to tutorial for using Canva. We will use Canva a couple times throughout the year, and if you're online, you might even use it more than a couple times. So I just wanted to kind of briefly go through how to use Canva. So you go to canva.com, and the link is in Google Classroom, and you'll want to log in. And you can just log in with Google. So if you're on your Chromebook, you should just be able to log right in with your Google Maps Now account. So I go to log in with Google. I select my mapsnet.org email account, and we don't need to get Canva Pro for free or anything like that. Everything on here is free. And so typically for Canva, I go into the poster section. Now you're welcome to go through any of these options that they have. They have a whole bunch of options, but just for the sake of this, we're going to just go to the poster one. You can use other ones if you'd like. Now, for the grammar name bubble assignment, which is what we're working on here on September 10th, it's going to be a little bit different for you because you're doing this online and you're not really able to make bubble letters. So I just want to show you kind of what you can do to complete the grammar name bubble assignment. So the first thing we want to do is we want to click the text box, and we're going to click Add a Heading. And you add that heading, and you can kind of just move that anywhere you want. So the heading, for the purpose of this assignment, is just going to be your name. So my first name is Chris, so I'll just go ahead and write Christopher. And you could do all caps, or you could do lowercase. It's fine, whatever you'd like. Okay, and then what we are doing in class is kids are actually writing the 5 nouns, 5 adjectives, 5 verbs, and 5 favorites kind of within the letters of their name. So they're writing 20 things total. Some kids got confused and thought that meant they had to write 5 words per letter of their name, and no, you don't have to do that. Like, I have 11 letters. I'm not going to write 11 times 5, 55 words. No. You still do the 20 that are listed on the assignment. Now, if you are doing this on Canva, what you can do here is you can just add kind of like 5 boxes right here, and you could do your 5 nouns here. So your 5 nouns could be, something like teacher, artist, runner, even kindness is a noun, something I really care deeply about. And I really like mac and cheese, so mac and cheese, right? And then the next thing you want to do is you want to add another little box, and this could be your 5 adjectives. So caring, and I'm not going to go through them all, but yeah, so you can add one box, and then you have another box which you can kind of drag wherever you want, and this is where you can do your 5 verbs, and then finally your 5 favorites. Now the favorites can be literally anything. It could be like your favorite flavor of ice cream, could be your favorite place to visit, it could be your favorite TV show, whatever you want. It could be any favorite. And then finally, if you really want to go the extra mile, you can add in some really cool stuff. Like you can add in a sparkle just to make it kind of look prettier. And really play around with Canva. As you can see over here, there are elements that you can add in. Like you do this like love sign. You can make it different style, colors. So there's even photos that you can add in, or you can even upload your own. So really kind of play around with it and make it as creative, unique as you'd like. Okay, hopefully this helped you, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.